As an accounting software expert, I often encounter questions about data management, and one of the most common revolves around exporting information. Whether you're switching accounting systems, providing data to your accountant, or simply backing up your financial records, knowing how to get your data out of your software is crucial. Today, we'll focus on FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting solution for small businesses and freelancers. FreshBooks is known for its intuitive invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting features. While it's excellent for daily financial management, the need to export data arises frequently. So, how exactly do you go about exporting data from FreshBooks? Let's break it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Why export data from FreshBooks? Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch on the why. Understanding the common reasons for exporting data can help you determine which export method is best for your situation. Tax preparation. Your accountant will likely need various reports and data files to prepare your annual taxes. Switching software. If you decide to move from FreshBooks to another accounting system, you'll need to export your historical data to import into the new platform. Data analysis. You might want to analyze your financial data in a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to identify trends, create custom reports, or forecast future performance. Auditing. For internal or external audits, you may need to provide detailed records of transactions. Record keeping/backup. It's always a good practice to have offline backups of your financial data, just in case. General export methods in FreshBooks. FreshBooks offers several ways to export your data, primarily through its report section and specific list views. Most exports will result in a CSV, comma-separated values, file, which is a universal format that can be opened by almost any spreadsheet program. 1. Exporting reports, most common method. This is the most common and versatile way to get a wide range of your financial data out of FreshBooks. FreshBooks has a comprehensive set of reports, and almost all of them can be exported. Step 1. Navigate to the Reports section. Log in to your FreshBooks account. On the left-hand navigation menu, you'll see a section typically labeled Reports. Click on it. Step 2. Choose your report. FreshBooks offers various reports like Profit and Loss, P&L, report, shows your income and expenses over a period, detailing your business's profitability. Balance sheet, provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Invoice details report, a detailed list of all your invoices. Expense report, summarizes your business expenses. Payments collected report, shows all payments received. Time entry details report, useful if you track time on projects. And many more. Select the specific report that contains the data you need to export. Step 3. Apply filters, if needed. Once you've selected a report, FreshBooks will display its contents. Look for a Filters or Settings option, often in the top right corner or a sidebar. Here you can specify a date range, e.g., this year, last quarter, or a custom range, group data, or limit the report to specific clients or projects. Applying filters ensures you export only the relevant data. Step 4. Export the report. After setting your filters, look for a More Actions button or similar icon, often a three-dot icon or a drop-down arrow. Within the report view, click on it. You will typically see options like Export for Excel, CSV. This is your primary option for exporting data into a spreadsheet format. A CSV file will automatically download to your computer. Print, PDF. You can also choose to print the report, which often gives you the option to save it as a PDF document. This is useful for sharing a static, formatted report. Send. Some reports allow you to email the report directly from FreshBooks. Select Export for Excel to get your data in a usable spreadsheet format. 2. Exporting specific lists, clients, vendors, etc. Besides reports, FreshBooks also allows you to export specific lists of information directly from their respective sections. Exporting clients. Go to the Clients section from the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of your clients. Look for a More Actions button or similar drop-down. Select Export Clients or similar wording. This will download a CSV file containing your client information. Exporting vendors. Similarly, go to the Vendors section. Find the More Actions button and choose Export Vendors. Important considerations for exporting data. Data integrity. Always verify the exported data after downloading it. Open the CSV file in a spreadsheet program to ensure all the data you expected is present and correctly formatted. File format. As mentioned, most FreshBooks exports are in CSV format. This is generally compatible with all spreadsheet software. Date ranges. Be mindful of the date ranges you select when exporting reports. Ensure they cover the entire period for which you need data. Limitations. While FreshBooks is great, sometimes certain very specific transaction details or attachments might not be directly exportable in a single CSV file. For example, individual expense receipts are typically downloaded in bulk separately, not usually embedded within a general expense report CSV. API, advanced users for highly customized or automated data extraction. FreshBooks offers an API, application programming interface. This is a technical method that allows other software programs to communicate directly with your FreshBooks account to pull data. This is typically used by developers or for integrations with other systems. If you need to integrate FreshBooks with another complex system or require automated, recurring data exports, exploring the FreshBooks API with a developer might be necessary. Exporting data from FreshBooks is a straightforward process, primarily done through the Reports section. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily obtain your financial information in a usable format for various purposes. Regularly backing up your data and understanding these export options are essential practices for effective financial management and compliance, ensuring you always have control over your valuable business records.